Breathe in the winds of compromise, the art of agreements. A journey begins with a single step, but a relationship flourishes with a single compromise. It's a bridge built of understanding and respect. Compromise isn't about losing, it's about finding the balance that benefits all. Like a gust of wind, it moves us in unexpected, fulfilling directions. Life is a series of negotiations, and compromise is the currency. It paves the path to empathy, inviting us to walk in the shoes of others. Just as the wind breathes life into a forest, compromise breathes life into our connections. It whispers the language of harmony, echoing oneness. Remember, compromise is not surrender, but empowerment. It is the tool that sharpens our emotional intelligence and enhances our interpersonal skills. So, breathe in the winds of compromise. Let it blend your boundaries, lifting you higher, towards a sky painted with the hues of unity and understanding.